Here a case of subluxation of lens which was more than 180 degree, and the lens is just near to drop like that, and it is a challenging situation, and I try my best uh, and to do the surgery successful. Initially, I get into the anterior chamber and I inject gel into the antechamber and try to do a central circular capsulorhexis. But I feel that whenever I pull it, the lens is coming forward, uh, and I don't take any risks to loss further zonule loss. And if further zonule loss is there, and lens may drop into the vitreous pressure. Then I introduce a trocar to release some vitreous fluid for lower the positive vitreous pressure, and I close the opening of the trocar by means of plug. Then I try to make the rhexis complete, but whenever I try to pull it, the whole lens is try to coming forward, so I feel there is further vitreous positive pressure to be lowered. That is why I remove the plug again and release vitreous fluid for further lowering of positive vitreous pressure. After completion of the circular capsulorhexis, I try to introduce CTR ring. You see that I tie the with 10-0 monofilament nylon at the one end of the CTR ring, and uh, I did it that as because if the CTR ring sometimes may puncture the capsule in such a loose and subluxed uh, capsule, uh, and though it is rare, but it may happen. That's why I tie the CTR ring at one end to uh, to pull it out when it is dropped into the vitreous, because if the CTR ring is dropped into the vitreous, it is a great challenging situation for the surgeon, and if the vitreous surgeon is not available here, then it will be a serious and dreadful situation for the surgeon. And if the CTR is dropped into the vitreous, I can try to pull it out by pulling the 10-0 monofilament. And if the lens along with the CTR is dropped, then I can try to take it into the anterior chamber and remove without facing any complication and without taking any help from the VR surgeon by pulling the 10-0 nylon. And after completion of the surgery, I introduce the foldable IOL, and uh, up, and then I wash the viscous substance by means of Simcoe cannula. And when I take out the Simcoe cannula, I press the wound by means of swab stick to maintain constant anterior chamber depth. And then I put the air into the antechamber for maintenance of it, and I complete the surgery without facing any complication in such a subluxed lens.